Computer science, when coming here, it has the applications in any field that you go into. Every company actually has a computer science department, so it's easier to get land a job in computer science. Apart from that, if you love coding, computer science is your field to come into. It depends on the GRE score. The authorities here are very strict about that. So if the acceptable GRE score is 305 and supposedly you even have 304, then you are supposed to take 36 course credits, which comes out to be 12 courses. Otherwise, if it is acceptable, the GRE score is satisfied, then you are allowed supposed to take 30 course credits. That comes out to be 10 courses. I have three core courses, three electives, and so that comes out to be six courses, and the rest six are three from each major. You have to select your own major. Most of the time for computer science, it's not readily available. It is actually because when you want to take up a course from other department, you need the permission firstly from your own grad advisor. Then you have to go to the grad advisor from that department and ask him that you want to enroll in that course. So it's a kind of a lengthy process, but usually you tend to get in. It's not that difficult, but there are some requirements that needs to be fulfilled. It is possible. I've seen people doing that, but I think that is possible only in the first semester. But I'm exactly not sure. I have not seen anybody doing that. Neither have I inquired about it. So I'm exactly not sure how it is supposed to be done. Very popular majors are like machine learning, database, and software engineering. Most of the courses, if you see, especially the machine learning majors, artificial intelligence majors, most of them are project based. So it's not like India that you just tend to learn theory and go along. Talk to your seniors before enrolling into the course. That is the major thing you need to do. You'll need to figure out the seniors can guide you which professor is easy in grading or which one is difficult in grading, how he teaches, what kind of course structure it is it worth learning that course under that professor. Also balance your courses, like if you're taking a easy grading course, one of those you balance out with one of the difficult courses, one of the medium courses which doesn't have too much of work.